Hello friends, welcome to the video number 19 for the JavaScript video tutorial series. And well, in this video we're gonna take a step a little bit ahead of the comparison operators, and we're gonna be talking about what is known as the ternary operator, which is an operator that basically let us take an action depending on the evaluation of a comparison. If the comparison gets true, we can do something. If it gets false, we can do something else. So it's kind of like probably a very condensed way of doing like an if block or if statement that we are gonna see probably in about a couple of videos. We just need to see first the logical operators. But well, it's very good to know, I think, that we can use this very simple operator, the ternary operator, to do again very quick condensed decisions based on a comparison. And well, the video should be very short, so this is going to be one of those weird videos where you are going to see me typing actually. So let's create a variable, and let's call it age. So a very common example is to have a small application, let's say inside of your page, where you're gonna check if your user is underage or above age and it's legally able to drink alcohol. Here, I mean, I live in Mexico, so here in Mexico, the legal age for drinking alcohol is 18 years. And then we're gonna make another variable that we're gonna call drink. And then we're gonna make our comparison as we saw in the previous video. So in this case, I wanna check if age is less than 18. So basically I'm checking, in this case, I am checking if the user is underage. This is going to be important for, well, we're going to see the reason a little bit in a little bit. So this is the ternary operator. It's just a question mark. Here we're going to letting JavaScript know, okay, you are going to make this comparison right here, and depending if it evaluates to true or to false, you are going to return something and store it in this variable. And so what we need to do here is place a colon, a full colon, and then we're gonna end our statement with our semicolon. And this column, what it's gonna do is it's gonna separate again. On the left side, we're gonna put what we want to get back or stored in the value in this variable drink if the comparison evaluates to true. And on the right side, we're gonna say what do we want returned if it evaluates to false. So in this case, again, I'm checking if the user is underage. If it's underage, we're gonna say I'm sorry, no alcohol for you. And if it's false, then here is your drink. I don't know, enjoy, something like that. Okay, and finally, document.write, and we're gonna display the result of drink. So in this case, well, age is lower than 18. No, it's not. So we should be getting this. Let's zip. Let's launch this in Chrome. And so here is your drink. Enjoy. And if the user is underage, it's gonna say, I'm sorry, no alcohol for you. All right. And so now again, this is very important because if I decide later on that, you know what, I don't want to see if he's underage, I want to check the other case. I want to see if the age is greater, equals than 18. So I am actually checking if it's legally able to drink alcohol, at least here in Mexico. And I don't change anything in here. I just save this and run it. It's gonna say, here is your drink, enjoy, but the user is actually underage. So again, on the left side, we're gonna have what we want to return if it's true. So now I gotta change this to, let's cut this, pass it to the right side, then bring this to the left side, and it should be good to go. So I'm sorry, no alcohol for you because you are underage. If you are 18, then here is your drink, enjoy. And of course, if it's older than that, it's still gonna give them their drink. Alright, so again, this is the ternary operator, a very easy, simple way to do comparison and again, take some action based on the evaluation of this comparison. So again, we're gonna get much more power, I guess, when we get to use the if block or the if statement. But again, I think it's very useful to know that we can do very simple comparisons in just one single line of code, right? So whenever this is useful for you, now you have an additional tool. If you feel more like using the if block, now it's gonna be your decision. And well, I guess this is it for today. And well, I hope as always that you have found this video useful. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, give a like to the video, and share it with your friends. And I hope to see you in the next video where we're gonna be talking about the logical operators. See you next time.